Hey, Leo. I think I found a work truck you need.
No one can.
Well, I did. It's not rusty, I swear.
Come on.
Come here, Leo.
I'll even give you roadside rescue.
You should walk away from that.
Shut up. You don't know nothing about work trucks.
Hold on. How do I know you can deliver?
Been delivering trucks for over 30 years. You can look it up right now. Just use your phone.
If I were to do this, if I even could do it,
No, you don't want to spend $70,000 on a new truck. I got 30 trucks under 20K.
I'd need a guarantee.
I'm selling an amazing work truck for a great price. Do I look broke to you?